Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profit and loss on my paper trading account. Again, this is my paper trading account, and as you guys can see here, profit and loss, it's 120 on the day. And again, I usually only exclusively trade Amazon. Yeah, let's get into it. So let me just switch this here to show trades, and let's click OK on that, and let's go ahead. Alright, so as you guys can clearly see right here, took a trade in the morning, traded up from about 30 shares, 23.71. Alright, not bad. Making sure you get into this huge candle right here. You know, usually I say you wait a little bit until the market open, but again, this is a paper trading simulation account, so what you want to do is you want to test it out first before you go back to your live account. So that's what I usually do, and again, that's the purpose of this series, is to actually test out certain things that you're not comfortable with on the simulation account, and then you take it over to your live account. So my next trade here, what I actually did was I shorted, and on my actual account most of the times I do not short. So most of the times I don't short at all. So what I wanted to do is to practice a little bit on shorting and see if I get more comfortable with that, and then I take it over to my live account. So where you can actually see the price action here pushing down, I got into my second trade right here, bought in at 23.64, pushed down and sold at 23.61, and you can clearly see that the downtrend was actually going lower. But again, it's all about setting a target for the day, a profit and loss target for the day, and actually just kicking back and just watch the market, you know, go about your business, and that's exactly what I did. Yeah, so how have you guys been doing in the past? Have you guys actually been doing well trading? And and actually, did you guys get into the Amazon earnings? Because we previously had Amazon earnings. You guys can clearly see it pushed down probably, yep, a good 10% or so, and we're all the way back up. There's no stopping Amazon. There isn't any way to stop Amazon at this point, so we'll just monitor it. I'll just keep on trading with my live account as well as my simulation account here, my paper trading account. So overall, for this paper trading account here, we're 1,037 on my profits. And yeah, how have you guys been doing? So alright, if you guys like this video, you know, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do.